taking my family except Min to go kayaking, Yanui Beach, and it's 100 per person. We're gonna leave Min at the house because Min has been in bed. That's why she's not going with us due to unexpected physical weakness. So we decided to go a little bit later. We picked 5 p.m. time. If you want to go to the same island as us, try to go before 5:30 p.m. so you get an hour in. So May and I are gonna be on the same kayak,
and we will see sunset on the kayak. We are in Yanui Beach and a lot of people. So beautiful sunset. Oh my god, I like it.
So we made it at the beach. A little hiccup. We were supposed to get here at 5:30, but it is 5:50 because we were on a scooter without a mask and without helmet, so we had to pay 1,000 baht Thai. He gave us 2 options, either paying 1,000 for not having international driver's license or 2,200 for not having international driver's license and not wearing a mask and not wearing helmets while driving scooter. Go, what that boo. Okay, we're going in.
What that butt?
ไปเร็วไปเร็วไปเร็ว Hit them hit them hit them hit them No, so May's my kayaker today. I am chilling. Okay. That is chilling ถ่ายได้แต่ว่ายังไม่ถ่ายตอนนี้ถ่ายวิดีโออยู่โอ๊ยโอ๊ย Okay May's doing a good job. She's a big complainer. I thought Bonnie was the big complainer.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, don't hit the rock. Fuck. นี่ไงวิดีโอนะ
My view is most boot
S
most S
Booty.
booty kayaking with sunset. Why am I not moving?
There's only one person paddling.
Well, you are also the only one cat.
Look at this view. So Dad and CJ are currently in front of us and kinda maybe almost around the island, but we're just gonna take our time because the sun is coming and we are right in front of the sun. Okay, we are sweating. Are you sweating, May? เหงื่อออกไหม
I'm good.
Wow, we
Good
doing
workout.
Huh?
Good workout.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
ถ่ายแล้ว
Wow. เอ้ยเมย์ไม่เอาหินหนักออกมา Fuck. Whose idea was it? มึงใช่ไหมความคิดมึงใช่ไหมให้มาเนี่ยความคิดมึงใช่ไหมเขาพารอบเหมือนกันแต่ว่ามาจากข้างนู้นกูว่าWe are trying, y'all. Okay. What? Fuck! ไปแล้วฮึบวัดจำวัดtired อ่ะไปเร็วไปเร็วโอ้โอ้ fuck okay we are in the middle of the ocean
The middle.
May is paddling and we are going to hit the rock. Gentlemen have been sitting here. What the bullshit.
ช้ามาแล้วดู see my hand we can do it go around the island สวยโอ้สวยมาก ยาวๆไปYeah, just sit.
What that booty?
This clip's name clip, I don't know.